ErrorPro allows user not only to work with flat models, but also to create hierarchical or nested models. Let's load an error propagation model from our previous video, and let's add subsystem into the element C. We are adding new element C1, and we specify that its host is element C. C1 is initial for the subsystem. Let's go inside that subsystem and add one more element, C2, and set up control flow and element to local variable, local CD. Also, we need to connect external inputs and outputs. Let's play with the conditions of element C1. We specify that error propagates only in 90% of the cases, and in 10% of the cases it is not propagating to the local variable. So we can go back and take a look into the top level of the model. Here is our subsystem. C is marked as a compound element. We can take a look into the entire model on the flat view. Let's mark the local variable, check the entire model, and perform the computation. During the computation, ErrorPro first computes the submodels and then uses this information to compute the top-level model. If we take a look into the log, we can see that first subsystem C has been computed. This information has been used to create the conditions for element C on the top level, and then, using these conditions, we compute the top-level model. So, if we take a look into the conditions of element C, we can see that these buttons are disabled because these conditions are computed automatically and should not be changed. And the conditions of element C1 of the compound element resulted in the conditions of element C. That's how the nesting works in the ErrorPro. Thanks for watching.